There are some very important moves taking place this morning in the crypto market. ADA is decorrelating just a little bit, and I want to talk about what is big that is coming tomorrow. So if you guys haven't already, if you're new to the channel, I'm Luckside. Welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell. You can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. I'm joined obviously with my little helper today who hasn't made an appearance in a while, but he apparently has a lot to say. So what we're seeing right now in terms of the market is actually 2 straight days that are green for ADA, at least at the time of filming this video. Hopefully this ends up staying this way, but we're starting to decorrelate just a little bit. In fact, when you look across the numbers on the right here, you see just a sea of red, but yet ADA over the last 12 hours actually up 1%. Now we see BTC actually just dropping like a rock. Like I've said many times, BTC is the boat anchor, but this is kind of ADA defending its territory. All right, I've said this many times before. When we look at this ADA BTC pairing, we have kind of been waiting for this moment, where ADA starts to bottom and bounce versus BTC. Now, we have tested the bottom of this trend many times here in the recent term, dating all the way back to June, again in the start of August, and now here in the start of September. And what we're seeing is resilience. This is where ADA shows a lot of strength versus BTC. And in fact, it's doing the opposite of the crypto market right now. Now, is this a longer term trend, and what does this mean? Well, when we look at BTC dominance, we are seeing just a little bit of a drop off here. All right. It's nothing big, nothing to write home about yet. And in fact, we have seen this We have seen this many times before. And at some point here, this trend is going to flip and BTC dominance will drop through this 20-day moving average. Thought it might have been back here, but unfortunately, the market had some other ideas. Now, what we are seeing is actually a top-end drop in terms of this BTC dominance. BTC has now formed essentially a triple top. These are all pretty dang close to each other. And it would not surprise me if there is a significant move to the downside sometime in here. Now, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice. And if we look at when BTC dominance has topped in prior market cycles, you guys can see January of 2021. And then when we look back here, when BTC finally had its drop off, we're talking February of 2022. So I'm sorry, not of 2022, February of 2017. So we're very much closing in on this point where, historically speaking, BTC dominance is going to drop off, and that's what your major alt season trigger is going to be. Now, what is kind of strange right now is the DXY is on the drop. All right, last 2 days, not looking good for the US dollar index, which historically should be good for BTC. And frankly, right now, this daily candle isn't indicating this. It's showing a red day. And frankly, what I have to say is a lot of the market right now appears to just be playing games. All right. If you guys haven't noticed, we've had some days where we've rallied and we haven't sustained the rally. There's been either an entity overseas that's dumped or institutional money is dumped and caused people to sell their bags. And then guess what? We rebound. In fact, when we look at what ADA's done, look at the disparity on these candles, right? You guys can see from the bottom to the top, these are big volatile candles. But what you've noticed is we've tended to kind of pop back up towards the upside of this. And what it really shows again is a lot of that support for ADA. Is this lower than what I'd like to see? Yes. It would have been nice to set a little bit higher low here compared to back here, but overall trend wise, I guess we're still kind of in this uptrend. So hopefully that continues to be the case right now. Yes, I'm saying hopefully because we're still very much dependent on the overall crypto market. It's not like ADA is going to go and make a move that's, a surge up to 50%, to the upside or something like that by itself. The conditions in the market need to be conducive for this. And frankly, ADA needs to start tackling some of these moving averages. We still need to get back to our long-term trend line. We got to wait and see what happens there. But that's what we're waiting for. ADA is decorrelating just a little bit. We still have a very high correlation. Maybe this is one of those days where capital around the market is just matriculating. Maybe we see ADA pull back and drop. We'll just have to be patient. But tomorrow is a very important day because we have our jobs report coming. The jobs report, again, may be baked into these prices. Maybe this is a bleed off in preparation for this, but it would not surprise me if we have decent enough numbers. We don't want to see a big drop off, right? Not like last month's, but if we get decent enough numbers, whoa, he moves fast, then we may see the market start to pump. Now, obviously, there's no guarantees. Nobody knows how the market's going to react. There's people playing games. People are being immature when it comes to prices and stuff anyways. So we'll just have to be patient and kind of take this as it comes. Again, this report is coming tomorrow, 7:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. So just be prepared for that. So say bye. Well, have a great day, everyone. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.